Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in beautiful sunny South Florida. Guys, we are on board a 2019 Boston Whaler 380 Outrage that we built new. One owner its whole life in an incredible boat, and it starts at the back. Top power for 2019. This boat had triple 400 Mercury Verados controlled by joystick. This is a fishing boat, has an incredible rear live well, a wide open cockpit going to this summer kitchen. Guys, you have a grill, you have storage, you have even spot for knives that it looks like an owner left behind. This is a wonderful space, all covered by this sunshade that's over your head. Now let's head forward to the helm and check out some of the cool things we did up here. This has helm deck AC, one of the options that we knew we wanted once it was made available. The best Raymarine screens you can get, and overhead, your Mercury vessel view will show this boat has less than 200 hours, and this little gray box, yep, that's your seakeeper. So incredibly important. This boat has never been slept on. The helm is beautiful. The front of this boat has the teak hydraulic table and so much more. You would be remiss to miss this 2019 Boston Whaler 380. Guys, we're at MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. My name is Jeremiah, and if you would like to know more about this boat, we'd love the opportunity to welcome you to our sunny place to come check out this whaler. See you soon.